We learned way more about the hardware and the software in the Mi 10. Xiaomi officially gave us this infographic today. So yeah, we have that 108 megapixel camera sensor. We are all well aware of this right now. This is the HMX made by Samsung. It does have the same amount of megapixels as we'll be getting in the camera in the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but it is not exactly the same sensor. They are different. However, a 1/1.33 inch sensor is absolutely massive. And importantly, I'm really looking forward to that sensor and the Snapdragon 865 working together to really give it all the power that it needs to make the best images possible. Confirmed is the ultra wide camera too, plus we've got OIS and EIS for video. Optical image stabilization will be on the main lens, certainly, and I expect that on the zoom lens too. The Mi Note 10 also had OIS on the zoom lens, so the Mi 10 should be getting that as well. HEIF is high efficiency image compression. This is a new image compression that is used across lots of different brands. It certainly isn't unique to Xiaomi, but it's good to know that we have this. If you do want to take 108 megapixel images, those file sizes are going to be massive, so we need some high efficiency image compression to take those file sizes down a bit. Also confirmed is a portrait mode. Notice they don't say portrait lens, but just portrait mode. Another really cool feature that I think they're adding to this is 120 frames per second slow-mo from the selfie camera. This is without a doubt an iPhone selfie inspired move. Apple really was the first to do this, and we're seeing other manufacturers catch on. So yeah, expect a selfie style feature to come in the Mi 10 phones. We also have a night mode and a really cool feature, I think, which is a 2.35:1 image aspect ratio for video. That is a really wide aspect ratio and will make movies that you shoot look a lot more like actual movies with that wide aspect ratio. I'm assuming this is something that you can toggle on or off if you want to. So being able to record video in higher resolutions like 4 and 8K is also a good thing because it means that we can change the aspect ratios and zoom in on those videos and still have a lot of detail and resolution to work with. Then we got this awesome official hands-on video of the Mi 10 taking some images. Firstly, it's looking really good, and we'll get to some more detailed images of the screen and the device in a second. But the important thing about this video is just how quick the shutter is on the phone. With the Mi Note 10 that uses the same 108 megapixel camera, that uses a mid-range chipset in the Snapdragon 730. I do have that phone, it's a great phone, and it's a great camera as well, but in 108 megapixel mode, it takes a really long time to actually process the image. You can take one image using 108 megapixel mode, it takes about 2 seconds to process that image before you can actually take another photo with it. It seems, however, in the Mi 10, that is way quicker, and that's thanks to the Snapdragon 865. I have mentioned 8K in a couple of videos. We got some leaks of some promo posters. This was confirmed officially by the boss later in today. So yeah, 8K is official. They will be giving it to us. Again, this will not be coming off the 108 megapixel camera sensor. That is only capable of 6K video recording, so I have to be using a different sensor in the camera setup to do true 8K. That is if we assume they're not somehow upscaling 6K into 8K. Also, another official video of the Mi 10 taking some images, and this is apparently filmed on the Mi 10 itself. All the leaks were correct in terms of the design leaks and the camera setup leaks. Everything was virtually spot on. The cutout on the top left does seem to be quite far from the left edge. I'm assuming this is because of the curved display. Also, a few people have mentioned that the bottom bezel looks pretty big, and yeah, I can't deny that. I'm sure it won't be bigger than the Mi Note 10s. That is a really small bottom bezel. It really depends how big the other bezels are, with that bottom bezel maybe looking bigger than it actually is. For sure, if you're looking at more expensive phones like the Galaxy S20 range, they are going to be more premium, if you want to call it that. The sample images that we got today look amazing, as they always do as marketing images. Subscribe if you do want to see the camera tests. I'll be getting the phone and comparing it against all of the competition. Send me a comment to let me know which phones you would like to see the camera on the Mi 10 up against. So how close are we to the Mi 10 launch? Very close. We got these images today. It looks like the boxes and first set of Mi 10 phones are all being shipped out to the respective Xiaomi stores. Subscribe for all the latest tech news and videos. That's it for now, but I'll see you in the next one.